The boy Andrew got coilovers for his 3000 GT. Alright, no more.
Dirt on that side.
There's dirt?
No, I mean like the lawn.
What do you mean?
Like on the driveway, do I still have room?
You probably have like 5 or 6 inches.
Oh, it's a little bit.
Yeah.
Oof. Oh, there we go.
So you just remove that panel, and there's 2 bolts right there. You're talking about that burnout? Yeah, the rears are pretty easy, honestly. It's like any other car.
Yeah.
Like the RX-7 was pretty easy.
The RX-7, I think, is the same setup.
Is it?
Yeah. Like actually with 2 bolts up top too.
And 1 on the bottom.
Yeah.
Sick. Then we got that one too. Let's see. Alright. The old one is out. There's 1 bolt on the bottom, 2 up top. Oh shit. This shit rolled.
Bro, look at.
Bro.
That's almost half the size, dude.
I think we're gonna have to adjust it. Unless you wanna leave like that.
I'm tempted.
To leave like that?
Yeah.
We can.
Because drop it that much and then some more. Because, like, I mean, when it's compressed, it's probably down like here, you know?
Oh yeah, that's true. And then
like the wheel gap.
it has a harder spring too.
Yeah. Should I do the preload at all?
I would.
Yeah. Seems a little loose. We'll go grab the spanners.
Alright, we got 1 coil on. Let's see what the difference. Bro. It looks crazy
I'm
for
gonna
me.
put the wheel on real quick.
Yep, go ahead. Oh man. How are you doing with the fit? Oh!
Dang.
You're so close. I think it should be good. It's not hitting, right? Oh, yeah.
You think it hit though?
No, I don't think so.
Like when I lower it, and then I'll go over a bump?
Nah, you got plenty of room, dude. I can fit my whole finger in there.
I gotta roll this, dude. What is this from? What the heck? Somebody like sideswiped me.
Oh, what the? Probably the shopping cart. I don't know, people be doing that in my car, dude. I seen like a little mark, and it looked like someone tried to wipe it off.
Yeah!
We just gotta tighten that.
You didn't tighten the top, right?
No, not yet. I didn't have a ratchet.
Holy crap, the thing's like not going in, dude.
Yeah, I think that's why they put that rubber piece there so it doesn't come out if you leave it there.
One of these days, this swivel's gonna snap, bro. You're gonna max out the camera up front.
Are you? Alright, so we got.
Matching.
Oh man.
How low can you go?
It's gonna look crazy.
Oh.
Can you get out?
I cannot.
No?
I cannot.
Why?
Look at the jack in the gas tank. Let's see. Oh no, dude.
You think you might need some blocks under? Oh, it's close.
That's too. It's not gonna.
Look at that. Look at that. That's low. Ow.
Oh.
Oh. Bruh. Let me see this side.
There is camber,
Yeah.
but oh, this one is bad, dude. Oh, that camber is. Ooh.
Oh yeah. This side too, it's almost the same.
Yeah.
Oh, this came out maxed, huh? Or this came maxed out? Let me see what that one looks like. Oh!
Bruh.
Oh, you got the impact.
I always forget.
Yeah. Does it break bolts loose or?
It doesn't really break bolts loose now. Like it definitely wouldn't have broke that loose.
Oh, it's right there. Those bolts. What the fuck?
Inch.
Is it under?
Yeah.
Oh shit. It's probably like an inch and a quarter. Is that an inch? Hey. Alright, one side in. And we got the other side.
Not too bad, actually.
Look at this. Alright, we got all of it installed. Let's see what time it is. The front sits a little higher than the rear. I don't know why. Bruh, that shit looks hella clean.
Woo! That is low.
Like, look at it from like the top. It was like, oh.
What? Oh man, I want to go lower in front, but
This thing is pretty low, dude. If you like walk up to it, you're just like, oh fuck. Shit.
I'm just like sketched. I feel like they have like cameras or something, you know?
What can they say? Like, oh, you can't park here?
Up in there?
I don't know.
That's what I'm saying, like in there, dude. That'd be. I can park right here, right in the middle, like this, right? Just like left.
You're like,
Car right there. I don't know if it's.
maybe it's broken down because that is a like a tire place.
I'm gonna just get out and look at it real quick.
All right, I'm gonna look out too.
Are you good?
Oh damn.
Damn, it looks better with the pop-up.
That's crazy.
I don't know, should I leave it like this or even like do the brake a little bit?
Woohoo! What, the front or the rears, huh?
Yeah. Like raise the rear like the width of the spanner wrench and then put a spacer back there?
Yeah, you could do that because it's still a little like that.
Yeah, it's just so like cambered. That is crazy.
Nah, this angle, dude, that shit looks wild. Oh, it's not closed all the way.